Good morning, everybody. How's your day going? What have you been up to? How are you feeling? I want to know all of that, so please do leave it in the comments below. So I just woke up to the smell of bread being baked. That's like one of the best smells ever. So George got up this morning. My voice sounds so deep this morning. George got up this morning super early and he decided to bake bread. So yeah, I'm excited to give that a taste. And yeah, I'm gonna see what I'm gonna have for breakfast. I'm gonna get dressed now. Gonna go have my apple cider and my green pad. Oh, I think the apples are ripe now actually. I think I might just have an apple, just like that, with salt, pepper. Yeah. Wow! Look at that. That looks nice, friend.
Thanks, man.
It smells delicious. Ooh, and it looks so fluffy.
I'm surprised how soft it is.
The apples are ripe, yay. So I'm literally just gonna eat it like this. Put some salt and pepper and we're good to go. Okay, so today we're gonna make a chocolate microwave cake. Never done this before. George found the recipe online, so we're gonna try it out. Okay, so I put in a cup of cake flour and now we're just gonna serve that into the bowl. We're serving in a cup of sugar. Now I put 3 tablespoons of cocoa, 3 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Okay, so we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together and then we are going to make a hole in the middle. So now we have to put 2 eggs in the middle of the mixture. Fresh and soft. We're going to just mix this all together with a whisk. Teaspoon of coffee into another bowl. Then we're going to take a cup of boiling water. Oh, I just love using this thing. I feel so professional. And a 1/4 cup of oil. And then we're going to mix that all together. Then we're going to throw this mixture into our dry mixture. And then we're going to mix it all together. I'm going to pour the mixture into this microwavable bowl. Hang on, I need to use my other tool. Honey. So I have to do this again because I forgot to put the spray and cook into the bowl. So we're gonna do that. You can come smell here.
What does it smell like?
Oh, it just smells good. Come on. Smell. Take 2. So now this is going to go into the microwave for 6 minutes on high. And now we wait. Woo! So now we're going to flip it over. Ooh. Okay, it's not coming out.
Put it.
It's not the prettiest. Okay, so taking some melted chocolates. This is Côte d'Or and Rolo. Just gonna pour that over this very beautiful cake. Right?
Is that the cake in Matilda?
Yeah, so I'm gonna make you eat this cake. Ooh.
Do you know what it looks like?
What?
That poop emoji.
And it tastes this bad boy. So a little sliver. Hello.
Oh, my God. It smells like eh? Oh,
Okay.
cheers.
Oh, you got a lot of chocolate on yours.
Oh! I mean, it looks terrible, but tastes so amazing.
It's
But
the ones with character that taste the best.
This is really nice. You've outdone yourself.
Guys, you should try this out. It's really good.
Wow, you can really bake. Girls, cook.
Wow, you can really bake. And that is it from me, guys. I know this vlog was a bit short, but yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Also, we tasted the cake once it was cooled down. Wow, guys, it was amazing. So you should definitely try that out. And yeah, hope you guys had a good day, and don't forget to like and subscribe and all those good things, and I'll see you soon.